In today's video, I will show you how to move a message to spam on Messenger. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, you want to show here your chat section. Here onto your message application, there is actually two things that we can do. There is no such thing as a spam folder on Messenger, but there is something called archive. And actually it's almost like the same thing here. Into Achieve, I can see all the chats and that I have sent directly into this folder. It's almost like if I was creating something like spam, so automatically it's going to be archived in the chat. So what I can do here, I am going to go into chats. I can select my chat, and as you can see, here is this helpful option. It says as archive, and it's going to be sent like the directly into chip. Now if I want to report something and it's more than a spam, like someone is annoying me or something like that, I can just double tap here and I want to choose my reply, forward and more. I want to choose more, and here is the remove, dump, report and copy. I'm going to choose report. So it says what's wrong, select your problem to report. If you want to set this kind of this problem, something like that, you can choose that this is a fraud or scam, or this is on what a message protecting to be someone sharing inappropriate things, hate speech, depending on what is your situation. You want to choose that option, then you can select this submit report. So what's going to happen here is that once this chat has been successfully able to delete it, now you can able to block this guy or block and also report this account depending on again on this situation you are currently having here into their message. So here you have it. Thanks for watching this.